Before you even think about changing your life, forgive yourself. For the time you wasted, for the chances you didn't take, for the person you were when you didn't know any better. Write it all down, everything holding you back, every version of yourself that kept you stuck, all the guilt, all the regret, all the mistakes. Then burn that page, let it die. Because here's the truth, the past can't hear your apologies, but your future, it's still listening. And it's waiting for a version of you who's finally ready to stop surviving and start taking command. You have exactly 5 months left in 2025. Not to fix your life, but to build a new one from the ground up. No more waiting, no more crying, no more coping. This is war, and you're the soldier. Let me tell you, either you suffer for the next 5 months with purpose, or suffer forever with regret. Your comfort zone, it's not comfort, it's a slow death. The pain of growth is temporary. The pain of staying stuck is permanent. Wake up at the same time, every day. No phone in the first hour. Journal your thoughts. Dump your mind. Move your body, even if it's just a walk. Cut out sugar, drama, and comfort. Read one book, just one. Finish it. Write 3 goals. Tape them to your wall. This month isn't about progress. It's about separation. You versus the old you. Kill the routine that made you weak. Now that your mind is clean, build systems, not just motivation. Create a non-negotiable daily routine. Choose one skill. Go all in. Plan your days the night before. Fix your sleep. 7 hours. No excuses. Train your body. Resistance over results. Track habits. Track meals. Track time. This is the month you learn. Discipline is not a mood. It's a decision. Now the real pain begins. Good. Sit in silence. Daily. 15 minutes. Watch your thoughts. They are not you. Face your addictions. Overthinking, scrolling, validation. Let go of people who drain you. Say no. To noise, to comfort. Reflect at night. Audit your day like a soldier. Exhale sharply. This month hurts, because this is where transformation hides. You're no longer reacting, you're building. Create something, a channel, a brand, a body. Work when no one claps. Double down on your skill. Learn from failure. Don't fear it. Work alone, it builds identity. Do the hard thing every day, at least one. This month is when people stop noticing you. Perfect, because growth is silent. The final phase. Now you turn pain into power. Wake up before the world. Review your 3 goals, adjust, sharpen, reflect. Who were you 4 months ago? Eliminate what's still holding you back. Own your routine. Own your path. Walk like the future is yours. This month is where you become the person you wrote about. You no longer chase change, you live it. The year isn't over, but your excuses should be. Most people will waste these 5 months. You won't. You'll suffer now, so you don't suffer forever. You'll train now, so you don't break later. You'll commit now, so the future bows to your discipline. Because in the end, you'll either say, I gave up, or that's when everything changed. No one talks about the dark side. The loneliness, the isolation, the doubt. The days where you question if it's even worth it. But here's the truth. While others scroll, you train. While others party, you build. While others waste these 5 months, you become unrecognizable. That's the price, and that's the point. You will fail, not once, but again and again. And every time you'll have a choice. Use it or use it as an excuse. Your failure isn't your enemy. Quitting is. The clock is ticking. 5 months, that's all. And they'll pass whether you move or stay still. But if you commit now, if you suffer with purpose, if you burn your past and rewrite your identity, you will not recognize yourself by the end of this year. Comment, I'm ready to disappear for next 5 months and return unrecognizable. Watch this if you also want to boost your attractiveness.